Lindsay and today we are making the coolest candy ever with my cake vodka gummy bears. These little cuties are pink, adorable, and covered in sprinkles, but don't let them fool you because they have got a kick of booziness from the vodka, so they're perfect for serving at your next cocktail party. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button to be the first to see my all new videos. These drunken gummies are made with real cake flavored vodka to give these cute little Funfetti bears a little hint of booziness. I had so much fun creating these. It's gotta be like one of the most fun spins on gummy bears I've ever seen. I just couldn't resist adding sprinkles and sweet cake flavored vodka to my gummy bear recipe for the most over the top twist ever. And I'm so happy with the way these turned out. My friends are totally gonna flip over these. And if you're not of legal drinking age, don't worry, keep watching. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a non-alcoholic version of these cute little cupcake gummy bears. Okay, so I added some secret ingredients to make these taste just like a Funfetti cupcake. And as always, I'll leave the full written recipe for you guys down below, or you can get it on my website at lindsayandbakes.com. So pour half a cup of milk into a medium saucepan and sprinkle 2 1/4-ounce packets of gelatin right over the top. And you can use any milk you like. You can use almond milk or coconut milk or regular cow's milk, any of them will work. And just stir this together and let it sit for about a minute. Then over low heat, we're gonna stir in 2 tablespoons of dry vanilla pudding powder, and this is what's gonna give it that really cakey, nice flavor. 1 to 2 tablespoons of white sugar for sweetness. And next, your cake flavored vodka. You can use like 1 to 3 shots of this depending on how strong you want them to be. And if you're making these non-alcoholic, just leave out the vodka completely and you'll have a totally cool Funfetti cupcake flavored gummy bear. In goes a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract for flavor and 2 drops of pink food coloring. And then just stir the mixture together until the gelatin and the pudding and the sugar are totally dissolved. And just make sure the mixture doesn't boil over 90 degrees Fahrenheit. That way you can keep that nice boozy flavor in there. So low and slow on the stovetop is key. And that was basically it. I told you it was easy. Now we're just gonna turn off the heat, but leave it on the burner to keep the gelatin nice and warm so it doesn't firm up. And then we're just gonna go ahead and pour it into our gummy bear molds. I got these molds online and I'll leave a link for you guys if you wanna get them too. But you can definitely just do this by pouring the mixture into a regular 8x8 inch baking sheet and line it with cling wrap or foil. That way you can pull it out once it's all firmed up and slice it into little squares for a perfect cupcake gummy square. Once the gelatin's in the mold, go ahead and sprinkle some confetti sprinkles all over the tops so the back of these gummies have that confetti-fied pretty rainbow color. We're just gonna pop these in the fridge to firm up for a few hours, or you can just pop them in the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes until they're nice and firm, and then we can pop them out and give them a try. Oh my god, are these not the coolest things you've ever seen? How great did these turn out? Alright, the best part, the taste test. And if you guys give these a try, be sure to tag me in a picture on social media at Lindsay and Bakes, or share this video with somebody who you know would totally fall in love with these gummies. Alright, look at how cool and gummy this is. You can just pop them. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are like the coolest candies I've ever tried. You get that kick of booziness to them, but they're also super sweet and soft and gummy. These are like the best adult candy in the entire universe. You have got to go make these for all of your friends. They're gonna flip over these. So there you have my Funfetti cake vodka gummy bears. And if you guys love this recipe, you are going to love my rosé champagne gummy bears or my Funfetti cupcake cocktails. So be sure to check those videos out too. Thanks so much for watching and leaving me comments. You guys are the best. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for tons more videos that I know you're gonna love, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye. Hey you guys, I'm using this cake flavored vodka in a recipe. The filter is kind of a hint. Let's pretend it's a bear filter, okay? Okay, are you ready to see what it is? Any guesses? You guys, here it is. Cake flavored vodka gummy bears. You guys, how insanely cute are these? Jiggle, jiggle.